just ran all the way down and back up, because this lineup generally means you can expect some drama, I'm thinking. But on a good day, I guess we may have absolutely no drama. Hence I sound all, what do you call it, out of breath. Yeah, that's the word. Wonder what the hell has got their attention. At least Pari and Bushi are like, can you see them? Let me zoom in for you. Such absolute focus. What I do find interesting though, or that I don't or can't understand, is that Miss Coco isn't bothered at all. So is it not interesting enough? Anyway, let's go peep and see what it is that they're really so excited about. Oh, can you see anything? Can't see anything except my super excited cats. It must not be important because look at Mr. Karthik all splayed out.